It's kind of an interesting video. So I got a new laptop and I connected to my phone which has my music on it because this thing is just new. It doesn't have any files on it. So I connected this. And this is my first time using an iPad, I'm not gonna lie. This is Lenovo and it's not that bad. It's Windows 10. My PC right there, my old PC that has like the colorful keyboard. It's just Windows 7. This thing is Windows 10. And this is my first time having a Windows 10 PC, man. I'm gonna play some music. The music's literally from my phone. Volume is on 71, probably my normal volume. It's not that loud. I mean, I can bear with it. I'm gonna put in an 89, not maximum volume, because it's gonna distort.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah.
But NGL, this is pretty loud actually, not for like let me show you where the speaker's at. I would assume you know where it is. It's right here, like this little thing right here. This little thing right here, so you can get like a 3D thing. But if you buy like an Asus ROG, like the thing on behind it has a red eye, that would be great for sound. Like seriously, that's like 4 fans right here, like 6 speakers, 2 right here, 2 right here, and then 2 right here. But this only has 2. It's just a basic laptop, so not gonna lie, it's still pretty fine. I'm gonna find another music for you guys. So I have one of a kind. I'm pausing this because I'm lowering down this, and we only have this kind of mouse, and I'm not into this mouse. I thought you can just hold it and then do it like that. Yes, no you can't. So I'm gonna play Best of Me by NFX. Naturally this one. I have a bass boosted music right here. I wanna hear what does it sounds like when I have a bass boosted music. 80, 79 the volume. My laptop is black, that's why I can't see it.
I think it's time to get out of my everyday life. Let's run away.
It's not that loud, but I mean, let me play some NFX music. Let me find some. We have NFX rumors. It's actually pretty loud NGL, but unlike in 79, it's gonna be spread now, so put it on 58.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit.
I'm gonna get this first, so you can stand it.
I just wanna get her all alone.
So this video is kind of a sound test on this thing. It's not that like bass thing, but it's how loud it gets. That's what I'm thinking about some laptop. I stopped it for a second because I put it the headphone stand. This is what it looks like, and this is how it sounds. Hopefully my phone doesn't fall. Volume is gonna be put on volume on 69.
She's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Knows that she wears short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, those whispers all around.
I'm gonna skip to the bass tones. let me remove my. Oh. Shoot. This is so made in Chinese, man. That's a ring light right there. Not there. I put like a thing here so it's cardboard, not wood. Cause I am pretty poor. I'm gonna pause this for a second. Let me know if you know this music. Stone 69. If you know this music, comment it below. If you're a true gamer, you know what this music and what game this is from. This beat's kinda catchy. Okay. If you don't know what it is, it's from Friday Night at Funky and Midnight Masters mode. Okay. I'm sorry if I'm being weird for doing TikTok music, but it's just music. I'm not doing TikTok. But okay. This music has lots of bass. This is from TikTok, but it has lots of bass. It's pretty quiet, so turn it on. I'm telling you, this speaker isn't that loud. I'm not gonna lie. For like 2, it's like this is the speakers, right? And this is the speaker of a cell phone, and a cell phone speaker is 20 times more louder than these. Probably could put like an equalizer here, but this is just a review or just like a sound test on this. I am not using like a battery. It already has its battery right there. I know where my mouse gone. It's right here. If you can't see, it's too blurry. It's 25%. 2 hours 29 minutes remaining. This isn't connected to like Wi-Fi because I don't know how to connect this on Wi-Fi. I'm really new to like laptop and Windows 10 and whatnot. So that's the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Peace out.